Hello, good morning students. Today we are seeing the practical of urine bile salt and urine bile pigment. We are performing these two practical, bile salt and bile pigment, for the detection of the jaundice. In case of jaundice, we are performing the test from the urine for the BSPP. That means the bile salt and bile pigment. First of all, we are seeing the bile salt. The A, determination of the bile salt in the given sample. Principle, the presence of bile salt lowers the surface tension of the urine. That means in urine sample, the presence of bile salt lowers the surface tension of the urine. When the sulfur powder sprinkled or added on the urine, sulfur particles sink to the bottom of the test tube. That means if the bile salt is present in our sample, the sulfur particle sink into the bottom. Now we are saying procedure. We are taking the two test tube. First is for the urine and second one is the control. Whenever we are adding or shrink the sprinkle the sulfur powder in the both test tube, in control sample, the sulfur powder are poured and which means the sulfur powder is situated at the top of the liquid, and in the positive sample the sulfur powder is sink in the bottom. This is the sample from the positive of the jaundice patient and taking a plain water as a control. We are taking two test tube. In first test tube, we are pour the patient's sample and in another test tube we are pour the control solution. Now we are sprinkle. This is the sulfur powder what we are using in this practical. In control sample, we are adding a sulfur powder. We are shrinking the sulfur powder, but the sulfur is not going to down, not shrinking, because the surface tension is higher than the present sample. Now we are taking the positive sample from the patient and adding a sulfur powder. Let's see. The sulfur powder is sink in the bottom of the test tube. The sulfur particle sink to the bottom of the test tube. That means this sample is positive for the bile salt.